Hi, thanks for joining me today. My name is Riaan Ingram. I'm from a company called Intelligent Pathways. Today I want to share with you the concept of a digital ecosystem as an alternative to the installation type mindset. Often potential clients ask us to install specific software packages or help them set up a SaaS application. Later on, when we're doing feature development on this platform that was installed or set up, we encounter challenges that this specific package or platform cannot fulfill. When investigating, we find that it comes down to the fact that during the procurement cycle, or during a decision maker making a decision about a specific software platform, there wasn't due consideration given to a wider range of patterns. It was a very narrow focus. Typically, it's just whatever this software package can give me, that's what I want. Albeit in an integration or a security or a data persistence area of focus. So this installation type thinking makes feature development a very slow process, because when you're faced with a challenge that cannot be fulfilled, you have to go through another procurement cycle, another software installation. You can imagine that's very slow, and the business would not be happy with that time to market. From a customer or business requirements point of view, they don't care that their needs translate to something that cannot be fulfilled in this particular package that you decided to install, or this particular platform that you chose to procure. So how can we avoid this installation type thinking? When going through the process of procurement or thinking about what your needs are and what you can do to fulfill them, we would have typically asked for a specific software package to be installed. Maybe you should take a step back and not narrow your field of vision to a specific narrow range of what a software package can give you, but look at a wider range of patterns. For example, in integration, what are all the integration patterns that typically in this area I can face? And security, not just say SAML, but how can I fulfill a wider range of these if they come along? A couple of examples would be, instead of choosing to install a specific Java SAML IDP library or Java application, maybe it's better to go with an Auth0 or an Okta, so that you can fulfill both OAuth and SAML needs. Another example would be, instead of choosing to install a Postgres database on an on-premise machine, maybe it's better to go with an Amazon ecosystem where you've got a few more options like Redshift or DynamoDB or S3 that could help you solve challenges as they arise. And that's all for today. Thank you very much.